Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. And my name is Nandini. I'm from Uttar Pradesh district Hardoi. So I'm making video after a long time, and because I suffer while speaking because I'm not used to it, and I don't use this language too much, and even my uh, at home I speak in native language. So in my village everyone speaks my village language. So I'm going back home, and you can see there is a lot of greenery and there are a lot of trees, and this is my village road. So it's too cold today, and I'm learning English. I'm beginner, and you can also practice like me. And even I don't know conditional sentence, and just I use whatever I know. And I listened a lot. I watch many videos, and I watch conversational videos. So like this I practice, and I listen uh, to music, and I watch English movies as well. And because I know I can understand now, but I face problem with while speaking because breeze is blowing so fast. My hands are getting so cold, and I'm feeling so cold today. And it's too cold. It's too cold. And I know everyone will be celebrating New Year, and you must have taken resolution uh, this year. And I had also taken resolution last year, so I am able to understand this language, and I'm able to speak somehow. And I hope I will able to speak this language. And now I have reached my village. So you can see this side there is a pond, and this is a bridge. It's this type side. And if you like my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you till in the next video. Till then, bye bye.